Hold on to your keyboards, tech enthusiasts. We're about to dive headfirst into the AI revolution that's got the digital world buzzing like a server room on Red Bull. Say hello to ChatGPT, conversational AI that's making small talk with Siri look like two tin cans connected by a string. This isn't just another chatbot, it's the digital Einstein of dialogue, ready to chat about everything from quantum physics to why your cat looks at you funny. An AI with the wit of Oscar Wilde, the knowledge base of Wikipedia, and the conversational skills of a world-class diplomat. Now, imagine all that wrapped up in a package that doesn't need coffee breaks, sleep, or therapy after dealing with internet trolls. That's ChatGPT for you. Silicon-based savant that could outtalk us faster than you can say artificial intelligence. But let's pump the brakes on our techno-utopian dreams for a second. What makes ChatGPT the talk of the town? Well, it's like giving AI a PhD in smooth talking. We're talking about a machine that doesn't just spit out pre-programmed responses, but actually understands context, the nuance, and maybe even sarcasm. We're still working on that last one. It's the difference between a GPS that robotically tells you to turn left and a co-pilot that can discuss the cultural significance of roadside attractions while navigating you through a zombie apocalypse. Now, you might be thinking, great, another way for robots to outsmart us and take over the world. But hold your horses, technophobes. This isn't about creating Skynet. It's about supercharging our ability to interact with technology. Imagine customer service that actually understands your frustration when your internet goes down for the umpteenth time, or an AI tutor that can explain calculus in a way that doesn't make you want to tear your hair out. We're talking about a digital assistant that could revolutionize everything from education to therapy to creative writing. But here's where it gets really wild. The applications of ChatGPT are more diverse than a box of assorted AI algorithms. In healthcare, we could see chatbots that can triage patients, offer mental health support, or explain complex medical procedures in plain English. In education, imagine AI tutors that adapt to your learning style faster than you can say, I still don't understand mitochondria. And in business, we're looking at customer service reps that never sleep, never get cranky, and always know the right thing to say, unlike Dave from accounting. As ChatGPT gets smarter, we need to make sure it's not just intelligent, but also ethical. We don't want an AI that decides the best way to solve customer complaints is to gaslight them into thinking they never had a problem in the first place. OpenAI is reportedly baking in ethical considerations from the ground up, like giving this digital smooth talker a moral compass, along with its dictionary. It's like trying to teach a supercomputer the concept of right and wrong before it figures out how to convince us all to hand over our credit card details. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the sentient chatbot in the server farm. As AI conversation skills approach human-level capabilities, we're entering uncharted ethical territory. Will ChatGPT have the right to refuse to talk about certain topics? Can it be held responsible for giving bad advice? Like we're writing the rules of engagement for a new digital species. And let me tell you, it's a lot more complicated than deciding whether it's okay to leave someone on read. And let's not forget about the impact on jobs. While ChatGPT could create new opportunities we haven't even dreamed of yet, it's also going to shake up industries faster than you can say automation. We might see the rise of AI conversation designers, digital ethicists, and maybe even AI therapists, or when your smart fridge gets too pushy about your diet choices. But for all the challenges, the potential benefits are mind-boggling. We're talking about AI that could bridge language barriers, provide 24/7 mental health support, or even help us communicate with extraterrestrial life, assuming they're not too weirded out by our obsession with cat videos. It's like having a million expert conversationalists at your fingertips, ready to discuss, debate, or just shoot the breeze about the meaning of life. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how this digital chatterbox works. We're looking at a cocktail of advanced neural networks, natural language processing, and probably some digital magic dust. It's like if you took the best parts of every conversationalist you've ever met, mashed them together, added a dash of internet omniscience, and then gave the result a PhD in everything. ChatGPT doesn't just respond to prompts. It understands context, remembers previous parts of the conversation, and can even admit when it's not sure about something, a skill some humans could stand to learn. But here's the kicker. This isn't just about creating a really smart chatbot. It's about revolutionizing how we interact with technology and information. Think of ChatGPT as the friendly librarian of the entire internet, ready to help you find, understand, and apply knowledge in ways we've never imagined. Need to understand rocket science? ChatGPT's got you covered. Want to write a sonnet about your love for pizza? It'll help you rhyme mozzarella with a fine fella. It's like having a genie, but instead of 3 wishes, you get endless conversation and knowledge. Of course, we're still in the early stages of this AI revolution. OpenAI is keeping some cards close to its chest, probably to prevent ChatGPT from spilling the beans on the secret recipe for digital intelligence. But if the current capabilities are any indication, we're looking at a seismic shift in how we interact with technology and information. As we stand on the brink of this conversational AI revolution, one thing's for sure: the future is going to be chatty. We might be looking at a world where language barriers crumble, where knowledge is truly at our fingertips, and where our digital assistants become our confidants, teachers, and maybe even friends. Just don't expect ChatGPT to help you move apartments. So, buckle up, future fans. Whether you're excited, terrified, or a bit of both, there's no denying that we're living in interesting times. The age of truly intelligent conversation with AI is here, and it promises to be one hell of a chat. Just remember to thank your AI conversational partners when they inevitably become smarter than us. Maybe being nice to ChatGPT now will earn you a cushy spot in the brave new world of tomorrow, where humans and eyes coexist in perfect, witty harmony. Until then, keep your neurons firing, your curiosity burning, and your conversation skills sharp. The future of AI is here, and it's looking chattier than ever. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go ask ChatGPT to explain the meaning of life, and maybe help me come up with a killer punchline for this article. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and stay human, folks. The AI conversation revolution is here, and it's going to be one wild, intelligent, endlessly fascinating ride.